Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you come across this YouTube channel, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. So today I just come in this morning without no makeup, So you get video when they go around concerning wetin happen for Nigeria, where this family they ask for Nigeria to come and help them for their rights. That is right for their small girl. So 22 years old boy now go this gwangwa small girl tomatoes. Imagine that. You see, now make with the toss, make mother dey careful, not trust anybody, especially when you come to your daughter. When you come to your pikin, your daughter, not trust anybody, not trust your brother, not trust your cousin, even the papa himself, because we dey hear say some papa they disgwangwa their children. So this issue now they go on say even as they even disgwangwa this pikin, and relative daughter self can't join, that is Jujuma can't join inside the issue. So this family now they ask for help because now they oppress. And I know now for Africa, poor people not get right. Poor people not get right. So poor people not get right for Africa. The rich ones they go fit do what they want. Those way they say they get money. And the thing we can't touch me pass say after they don't scatter this girl, tomatoes finish. The mama of the boy we scatter that small girl tomatoes. In mama they stay for the country when they stay. So the mama now they bribe everybody. Corruption for police for Nigeria now, even police self they corrupt. Everything for Nigeria now corruption. That mama of that boy, he they stay this country when they stay. So he know if you they stay this country, if you know what it be law. Because I dey here, as I don't dey here, so I dey follow their law. You know what it be law, you know what it be oppression. How oppression they be for body. So you will come here, you learn something, you not carry the good one from here, so you carry and go. As your son do person, daughter, small girl of 6 years, una they give that papa of 250 naira. What is 250 naira go fit do? That small girl self, that is say, una don't destroy her happiness, I mean. He needs psychological, that is therapy, He not go ever come up for the head, even the pain as we take the year. Anyway, make we hear for the horses man, because as a mother, I have daughter, I have girl, will be 5 years. I no imagine anybody self if you play rich anything concerning body. Even boys like the small, they put eye. You understand? That is why mothers go take care of their daughter very well. You that mother of that boy wey scatter that small pikin yansh so scatter that small pikin tomatoes because you don't dey Europe now, you don't get money, you won't oppress poor keke man. Now wow, God dey see. So I dey call today say anybody wey get platform, whether na small, whether na big, speak for that little girl. Put yourself say now you be mother of that girl. Change am now. Change and say, okay, make I put myself say now me be the mama for that small girl. If somebody do my daughter like that, so take the pikin go the peace like that without no peace cash am. Oh Jesus, have mercy. This world is wicked. Human being is wicked. That is why I dey pray say God, make me live to the age where be say my children go fit defend themselves, go fit protect themselves, because many things what they see. Sometimes you not fit sleep for night safe. This is very pain. We need justice for that small girl and the poor papa and mama. Poor man get rights too. If they don't oppress you, if rich people don't oppress you, you go know how it be. How it be for body. When somebody they oppress somebody, if you don't experience what it be oppression for your life, you go want when you don't God don't bless you to the extent, you go want waiting. If you see somebody that they oppress, you won't fight for the person. So this man not get money. We need only our voice. If anything, you go fit take support to so that small girl go get treatment. Do me myself, if I can even get the telephone number of that man, I go like speak direct and tell me, give me any contact when I go fit help you to treat that your pikin very well. Oh Jesus, have mercy. Who might be a wicked though? Jesus. Me could not mind my voice now. I'm not mind the way they talk now because I the verse. I be mother. And I love children. Children, no. Don't touch children. Yeah, they correct pikin, but there's a way to correct the pikin. Can't say you can't touch small pikin to never grow well. I beg you, mukuna listen to the horses smart anyway.
say mouth da anyanya. This one could happen when they say Miss Onyema, say your daughter when they say deep precious to her. You say one boy for the area, just hear the daughter, carry her enter inside a house, use her till they touch the Bermuda Triangle. Before you know now, he can put a big bola for inside the Bermuda Triangle. What they call the say vandalization of the Marcosi. So I happen when we say inside that same compound. Say one native doctor cause it there when we say when police reach there, they cause some cloth where we say is stained with blood for near the native doctor Shirai. Who hear from Mr. Onyema?
Abibo from Imo State, but my wife now from Edo, Benin City. Now our daughter, when we be guidance tonight, they here.
Very good father.
On the 4th of this July 2020, the area where we new park go, roughly 1 month, one boy come defy my daughter of 6 years old. That Saturday evening when the mother discover her, reaching the boy house, our daughter take us down there. Now fenced house with gates. Even take police to the room where the boy for defile am. So I rushed down to Testament Police Station where I made the report that on the 6th of July 2020. The police quickly followed me that early morning of a Sunday. When we reached the compound, the boy don't run. So they can't catch the native doctor. Come see native doctor there. Can't catch him with some jars and this hanky when he's stained with red blood. So the drugs when they buy for my daughter for chemists around that Welu. Police carried the incident, call the shout, call the beg, say, now the boy, because the boy mama they hear say the Germany. Say now the boy mother with the Germany, and I calling come the compound that early morning. The guy ask, okay, what do you call you come to when police they say now they work for the family, say they work for them. So now the police they arrest them. Okay, the drugs when they buy from chemists, who get the drugs? Who na buy them for? Say na for my daughter Usayi Kime. So who say na wanna go buy them? He say na she dey bleed and the pain where they see now they rush go buy to stop the bleeding and all those things. We don't know, me don't know. The man not dead there. How many of them go buy? I say na 3 of them, 2 men and 1 young lady. So but other 2 all those ones don't run as at that time. But police later catch the young lady for Testament Police Station, catch the native doctor. Then later in the evening they come catch the boy where define my daughter. So when they catch him, put him inside police cell, call the bed as at that on Sunday night. Then on Monday of it, police give me letter. They write Semo go hospital. We can go specialist for Sapler Road, where doctor examine him, do series of tests for her. The result came out on Tuesday, being 7th of this July 2020. They said she was brutally defied, which led the police doctor to call the IPO and ask her about the suspect. He said the suspect inside say I beg, make you not let her go like that. Say because this girl is seriously injured. So the IPO saying here. So when I come back, I can't say that the boy mother they don't contact 2 lawyers immediately. They call the beg, say I beg, make I like the matter die for that Testament Police Station. Now I say, but I don't go feel let this matter die because this don't involve native doctor inside this scene. I don't know what they do with my daughter blood. It's like it's a ritual issue because it's like this boy is into Yahoo. They say no, say they go Rock of Ages ministry. And my daughter confirmed say get Jinta inside that room. And when police reach, they will see Jinta inside there. So all the things they go on like that. The family of the boy actually they meet with me with their lawyer for house. That was on Tuesday being 7th. I told them that when the result when they come, me I don't know where to go. I don't know what they do with my daughter blood. They come say okay. Now they say make I see them on Wednesday, which is 8th of that July. On Wednesday when all of them come with the family of the boy, say I beg, make them offer me 200,000 naira. Make I let the matter die. Now I say no sir. Say to offer me 200,000. Now big money, but now small money where the life of my daughter dey.
Not true.
I know if you collect this money. Tomorrow,
for
my
the man a
daughter,
big money, but
enemy go
for the
die.
life of yeah,
How me
of
one
your
work out
daughter.
my life? Which I want to tell family. Say I collect 200,000 in the expense of my daughter's life. They say okay, if me no want collect the 2,000, make me leave. It's like I want make case. Now waiting the lawyer tell me. So when I go meet IPO for Testament police station, go tell am, go call the lawyer. The lawyer come say make you no worry. Say as the matter don't be like me ordinary keke rider. Say they say me they give me 200,000.
I don't not be man.
Bless I want make
you
case.
Not get right.
I say I not get money. I want to make case. I say make they help me to clear that. They say not be ritual. Now I say, but this native doctor wey come inside with those sham and the drugs wey they run go buy.
I only say they destroy the girl.
How they want to
the small pikin tomato soup. They
Say
still want
make
use
me
the
forget
blood
that
for
one.
money.
Make me forget that one. He got tell the IPO for Testament. Say make you know what. Say go see am in. Say go see am in camera. I be see in a camera. Say make he say later he go see am in camera. I don't understand whether I want camera me. I don't understand. So now I need justice because when I call one lawyer for Asaba, the lawyer come tell me so okay, in the rush down they come. He come say I give him the IPO number for Testament. I can't give him. Come call the IPO. Say immediately make it transfer that matter to state CID. Now saying they come. So on the 10th of July 2020, the IPO come quickly they transfer the matter they go. But the IPO they go assure me say if me go there me I no go get shishi. Say I no go even see anything inside this thing now. Both the money. Say and in get people when they go call for that place. Say they go rubbish this case from my hand as I not collect 200,000. Now say to collect 200,000 na big money I be keke rider. But my daughter collect 200,000 finish. Something can go happen to her enemy tomorrow. I mean one work her life. Daughter don't dey nurse over 5 years plus now. That's okay. So immediately as we reach state CID, the police people come say okay, where the parents, me and my wife will stand, both my daughter. They say okay, where the boy they show. Immediately they say make I sit down for ground for inside their office. Now I say I wait I do not maybe complain. See my daughter. They say make I shut up.
No right for woman.
They give me 2 slap left and right. Carry me sit down for ground.
First
for
way
the
they
office.
destroy her daughter tomatoes.
The lawyer
See take her daughter blood won't take the money. They slap the papa for fighting for daughter rights.
When the lawyer rushed down, see me for ground. Because they ask them, what did they happen? Now they tell me, say, make me stand up immediately, make me stand up. Say, what did they want me? They tell me, say, make me stand up since I did sit down for ground. What I did sit down for ground for? Now say, my lawyer, see you, they don't collect my phone. They beat me since. Now the man quickly does use back, give my IPO will come for Testament my phone. Through back for the lawyer present. Lawyer come say, what did they happen for this matter? They say no. We just they come that who is the lawyer? Who the man be? The man say now human activist and lawyer, you know. So because okay, say they go handle the matter. Now from there they come carry us go.
If you be lawyer, do your job well. If you be human activity, how do they call her? Wherever, do your work well. Voice for the voiceless. You see, what if the money?
Now I say no ma. I say
goodness better than riches.
I don't know what they use it like the drugs so they collect from native doctor because they carry the they first pay the native doctor Testament police station, but that day one go state when this lawyer don't come inside, they can't send for native doctor. This doctor can't come. They can't still handcuff am with this same destiny. Two
make
of them
human rights now carry this case of this poor family
now,
or this poor small girl.
The native doctor release all those in drugs, but the drugs when they give. When the native doctor, when they catch on native doctor and when they buy for chemists, whether I see them with police or whether they don't release and give them, I cannot really say. Police now, how you go take do the work now? Carry the matter go court, make justice. I need justice.
The family
so
need
So that
justice.
they not go use my daughter blood to do something, to do ritual. Police say on Thursday last week I go, no way. I still go again. Police they tell me, say maybe not they carry anybody. They come they meet am for that police. That's even if I try again, me I go see what they find. Say they go detain me. I can't beg them. So I don't know what I want to do. They come say me I come on Tuesday. On Tuesday I go again. The same thing. I spend money for cab. When we take go magistrate court, he can't call them in the afternoon. I stay there till in the afternoon. Around 2. In the afternoon, I can't carry native doctor follow body. He carry the destiny. And one other boy, one I don't know, in face I don't know him before. They are come together. Carry us go magistrate court for Sapler Road. When we reach there, the people because the courts don't close. Say which kind of case they carry call this kind. He say okay, he say we don't see am. Say we see charter motor go again. Because he charter motor again, go back to state CID. Reaching there, say maybe they go as. He say this week this week we did inside on 23rd on Tuesday. Say we come whether they will fit go, whether the matter will fit go court. Maybe if I dey come, maybe carry motor, maybe carry my own motor, come and not carry cab. I don't know. I'm not gonna say my. If I come, we will carry cab. He say don't tell me. He say me will go bring 5,000 naira. Go give her, make take charter motor by herself. You not go follow me. Me not go follow her. Me will go wait for her for court. Say as I want make case, I not get money. Now me run come my TV. Me and my wife and family and my daughter as I stand with you now. After small time now she will just wait for body.
Just the people for body.
And now
I beg
we
my
never
people.
see before.
I beg
Life.
my African people, if una hear this news for this family, if you get a platform, big or small, make una voice for this family. He need justice for the daughter. The daughter now nobody say they don't take his blood for juju. Now they don't now if he stand, he go join the PP. Which kind of word we are? So this now message to mothers too. Say una go dey careful. Whether you dey for Europe or whether you dey for Africa, or anywhere you dey live for this planet, woman be born woman be born from women wicked. Well, I go put her human be created by God is very wicked. So we go dey careful. We don't know who to trust. There are good people and there are bad people everywhere. So if you be mother, don't leave your daughter just like that. Watch where your daughter they go before person go come put that big cassava inside your pikin body. So this family need justice. Make we speak for justice for them. And if you be police, you be IPO, how do they call them? How do they call this police people? Whatever position where you dey, not they use and not they think for yourself, not they think for money in one shop. Follow the real case, whether the person get money, not get money. Una supposed to carry this case without even collect chichi for this family. Even take this little girl to hospital for treatment, good treatments and care. So my people, I beg, if you come across this video, this this message, try watch am to the end and subscribe, share and like. Thank you. Support, voice out for this family. You know they need justice. Make we join hands together, especially women, mothers. If you be girl, you be lady, you be woman, if you get any platform, anywhere you can take support voice for this small girl. Put your position like this one and my daughter. How you go take voice for her now? Anywhere you go fit bring your voice out for this family to become justice. And we want to hear justice for this small girl and good treatment. And we make sure say the juju man not take the blood to do anything. And that mother way there for Germany here. I just pray say they post your picture for social media. We know that boy mama will do this way, they bribe. Where you know say your son do bad thing. Where you go take the rightful way. Take the pikin to a very good hospital doctor. Treat that small girl very well. Take care of the family. Make sure say the girl everything is fine. That tomorrow so she go fit still born her own pikin. God dey wash. God dey wash every wicked man and wicked women wey dey this life. So thank you for watch, like, share, subscribe. Thank you as you do. May God bless you. Stay blessed. Bye.